Once the part is ready for machining, go to the CamWorks feature tree and define the machine. Then, define the stock and material to be machined. Define the coordinate system by choosing the origin type and method as per the requirements. Select top face of the part to define the mill setup. And since it is a 3-axis operation, select the multi-surface feature checkbox and choose the constant step-over strategy from the drop-down. After the mill part setup is inserted, the multi-surface feature appears in blue color. Click Generate Operational Plan and generate Toolpath option. Now, simulate the toolpaths to see how the machining process is done. It is not necessary to have the constant step-over operation machine at the top surface of the part. By eliminating this, we can save more machining time. We can use a constant area to establish a boundary for a toolpath and eliminate the unwanted toolpaths. Now, when you simulate, it will avoid the unnecessary tool operations and complete the machining smoothly with shorter machine time. After the machining is done, the NC code is generated by using a post-processor option.